Uh, Now we are going to create some action for button. If we press, if we enter the username inside the username field and enter any password, we need some action. For that action, we have to write some function for that. Here we did a mistake. We did not rename it this entry two. We write now rename it with e2 and e2 to dot grade to place it. Now write the function. Suppose to write a function, we know how to write the function. Define action. The way of defining function. Now, if for if our first entry field is even, to fetch the value from even, we use even dot get. If even dot get equal to equal to suppose we are git, I don't git, and the next entry field is e2 dot get. If it is equal to password, this is the password. Suppose we have password like 123. I think there is no doubt. For get method is used for to get the method from the text field or entry field. With the value inserted by the user, if you want to get it from that, to get that value inserted by the user from that field, we use the method get. Understand? Here, here this method get will fetch the value from the entry even, and whatever the value insert you, it will match that value with this value git. If the value are the same, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So we'll simply write the message print welcome to git family. Else if there is any mismatch, any mismatch of values, then it will show the message wrong credentials. Wrong credentials. No, but it will not work. You have to you define the function here, but if you want to work proper working of that function, we can use it here inside the function. To call this function is to to associate this function with the button. We use the command like this. Command equal to name of function. Name of function is action. Okay, it is finished. Let me check it is working or not. Hmm. First I will enter the wrong credential. Suppose here there I mentioned the git in capital. Here I will mention the git in small, and the password is 123. It will generate the wrong credentials. Yes, it shows the wrong credentials. Now I will insert git in caps lock. Let me check what it will show. It shows welcome to git family. Congrats. Thank you. Thank you guys. Is it visible to all of you? This is the way of creating the login form. Similarly, we can do it with by using the database. Later, I will show you with the database. But for that, you people have to know the concept of database. Then that subject database, I think you people you will study in third year. Okay. So in third year, I will teach you database. I will show you how to implement all queries by using the MySQL server or by whatever the server is provided by the college. I will show you. MySQL server, or it is a SQL server, or it will be a DB2, or whatever the software is it, I will show you. And how to work with the Python on that database also with that. Okay, anyway, any problem up to this? I think that you people don't have any problem up to this. Okay, thank you class. Watch it on YouTube and also share with your friends. Thank you class. Left it behind.